Today we're making jalapeno chicken. Shout out to my bestie Ariana for showing me this recipe. So you're going to need some chicken thighs, and as you can see, I am getting ready to rinse these bad boys off. So the next thing I'm gonna do is cut off the extra fat and the extra skin. Now we're getting ready to season our chicken thighs, and I'm gonna do it just like my friend did it. She used Tony's Creole seasoning. Now she also used onion powder and garlic powder, and I'm gonna go a little heavy on the onion powder. I usually wear gloves when I'm doing this, but unfortunately I didn't have any, so we're just gonna get messy with it. I didn't mention this before, but I did preheat my oven to 425 degrees. And now what I'm gonna do is just place these chicken thighs in this little pan. Now I have canned carrots and some sliced canned jalapeno peppers, and I'm just going to layer. And you can put however much you want on the top. When my friend made this, she didn't use as many carrots as I'm going to use, but she did use tons of jalapenos. Okay, so off camera, I did top the veggies off with a little seasonings. You don't have to, but I think it's a good idea. So now I'm gonna pop this in the oven for about an hour and a half to 2 hours. I love my chicken nice and tender. I love my chicken falling off of the bone. So I'm going to cook this just as long as it needs to fall off the bone. And yeah, here we go. Y'all, this is delicious. This is really delicious. It is spicy, so if you can't take a lot of heat, and you might not want to try it, but thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already.